Introduce short picture overview of HOTFUN, 4K, 3-channel Dashcam, 4K and 2K front and rear, 4K plus 1080p front and cabin, 2K plus 1080p and 2K 3-way car camera, with IR night. 24/7 recording parking mode, supports up to 512GB TFcard, color black. You enter R here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Of course, all this helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.